Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to send money on Remitly. First, launch the Remitly app on your mobile phone. Now create a profile or log into your existing profile. To create a new profile, select the country from which you're sending it. Then choose the country to which you're sending money in the next box. After that, hit the next button and enter your information. In the information, enter your email address and password and confirm your password. You can continue with Google by choosing your Google account. For extra information, you can protect your information and sign in faster with biometrics. Next, tap on the arrow icon shown at the bottom. Now enter the amount you want to send in the given box. In the next box, you'll be able to see the amount of money the other person will receive. Then select the way you want to send money. Hit the continue button and select the delivery method. After that, select the recipient's bank from the provided bank options. In the end, enter the account number and routing number to continue it. Thank you everyone for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe. Goodbye.